everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew with an update on the Porsche 3 Invitational celebrating my YouTube channel's 3rd anniversary. It's an annual event, and it's only a month away now, so there's still time for you to join in on the biggest customs giveaway of the year. The theme is Porsche, but the main focus is to pay it forward. Draw prizes are new this year. Look at this lineup. The custom Porsches entered by Hewitt's Hot Wheels, Diecast Graveyard, Diecast Media Network, Honest Diecast, and 3 of my own will be prizes. There's also a majorette box set of 5 Porsches. Only participating builders are eligible for the prizes. Shipping is global, as there are entries from around the world. Join in with these talented builders and be part of something special. Just leave a comment below if you'd like to be added to this list as a participating builder. So here's all you've got to do. Pick any Porsche casting in any scale size and customize it however you wish. The upload date for your videos or pics is March the 18th, even if you don't have a social media platform. Just make sure all of you send in some glamour pics to my email address, and remember, most importantly, pay it forward by giving your Porsche away. Use the hashtag MLCPorsche3. I sure hope you'll join in if you haven't decided to yet. Please do. See you on March 18th. It's coffee time.